Hi everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Rashmi Numani. She is one of our students who cleared her US CPA, I think 1 month back.
Yeah.
Right? Practically, as a student, I've had a very difficult journey and a challenging journey with her, not when it comes to studies, but typically when it came to making her believe that she can do it. I will never forget, I was in Calcutta having my dinner when your first exam result came out, and the first reaction was it could be my result, maybe it is somebody else's result.
Yes.
From that journey to now, I think 1.5 years later, I have seen you growing as an individual, and it gives me immense pleasure right now to be sitting with you and sharing this journey with so many others. So for you, as a mentor or as a person who is very closely involved with seeing you traverse this journey, I feel that you've grown in confidence. But then I'll leave it to you. So Rashmi, with that, let us first hear from you about yourself before we start this.
Firstly, ma'am, I always wanted to be on this chair in front of you when I used to see other interviews. And to start with introducing myself, I'm a chartered accountant with 13 years of experience. And I was into Indian practice, stat audit, internal audit, and bookkeeping, etc. was my forte. And in 2022, with the vision of a team, we decided to, start upon a new venture that was offshore accounting. We started getting work, and we started fulfilling the requirements of the client also. And then I decided that let's make a shift from this Indian world to the international market. And now I'm full-fledgedly doing offshore accounting and other taxation and advisory services with my company, that is UCAP Services Private Limited. We are majorly based in Kolkata.
Okay. Yeah. So, like going ahead, so you said you started this journey in the year 2022, right? So now we're looking at 4 years down the line. How has been this journey? But did you wait, or were you already working for the last 4 years? And going ahead, how do you see yourself leveraging this degree?
Yes, I was already working. I am working since 2012 after qualifying my chartered accountancy. And I'm with the same firm throughout also, with the same team basically. And yes, 2022 we were already catering few of international clients, but there were always, I had to refer a lot of sites and refer a lot of notebooks, books to form a review or to give an opinion on a particular matter, be it accounting, be it review or any other thing. And I had a mentor who was already qualified as a CPA Australia, and she felt that taking another degree would help us and give us a professional edge, so that we can attempt these things in a better manner.
That means आपके पास already एक international client था before you decided to embark on your CPA journey.
Yes, but it looks me कि अगर फर्म को ग्लोबली और बढ़ाना है, आगे एनरिच करना है, तो ये डिग्री चाहिए. That's why I and Rashmi, the Rashmi also.
हाँ, आपकी टीम में 2 जनों ने हमें ज्वाइन किया था. Rashmi has also completed 3 papers and she is about to write her 4th paper.
And therefore I decided to pursue CPA USA, and of course that helped me to take that technical competence to face the clients in a more confident manner.
And do you think that this degree does make a difference when you're talking to a client? Does he or her perceive you differently now when you have a degree?
Yes, absolutely, because he understands that now I understand their norms, their rules, their laws. Initially, he just knew that yes, I am a qualified professional, but not from his country. So now when a degree coming from his home country, the credibility established is more.
Okay. So, like if I look at all the fellow CPAs from the other side, right? You were handling your family. You have a son.
Yeah.
And how old is he now?
7.
You have a 7-year-old son. You were managing your work, and I can understand there would be pressures of peak season, and you were also managing your family, right? So family, work, studies. That must have been the difficult thing. In fact, there are a lot of students who don't sign up for the course precisely for the same reason. So where do you see, how did you manage this entire thing?
So 3 points: work, My team was great, and they could pull the show very well, even if I was not there. And family wise, I have a very supportive family. So they've always motivated me that I have to go ahead and can't stop in between. Once I've decided to take that degree. And third is studying. So as you know that I had already joined Pixalan and decided on UWorld as content provider. So there was a plan laid out by you already in the LMS, the plan for the day, the plan for the week. So I tried to follow that, and bit by bit everything started falling in place, and that's how I could cope up.
Yeah, I'll say one thing to you. Like when I look at the other girls or other candidates who are preparing for the exam, one of the biggest challenges is to get leave for the exam. Then how to manage your studies at the time, and you're managing the office as well. So what I've realized with you, like when I talk to your Sunita is also our student. So when I look at you guys, you took it like a team. Like sometimes you pitched in, sometimes she, and which is like a big thing because if you're a part of the industry, it's not that easy to take a break or to ask for that leave so frequently. I've seen a lot of my students really struggling that way. So yeah, I can understand how that made a huge difference. Okay. Let's go back to CPA days now. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you talk to yourself 3 years back when you started this journey, what would you tell yourself, and how would you go about it differently than what you did now, in hindsight?
I enrolled with a lot of questions in my mind.
Okay.
Then the first day when I attended your class, it was the orientation session that honestly again made me realize that this is not going to be easy. And then the content provider, each subject I think has around 1500 plus MCQs and lot of TBS. They all added up to my anxiety. But then again, the way I mentioned initially also that the best part about Pixalan was the plan for the day or the plan for the course. Firstly, I took one paper at a time.
Yeah.
So the plan for the course was laid out week wise, day wise. So I just followed that blindly. And yes, revision was also a major part of that. And office wise also, I was very relaxed. I had a member, Sunita ma'am, as you mentioned, who always made sure that I'm working at only 20-30% of utilization. So that
And
is
she's going to make up all of that now. I'll make sure that she does.
so that ways I could cope up, and once the plan is already laid down for you, so it is better to achieve that.
Okay. If you look at your fellow members now, what is the biggest advice that you'll give him to do and then not to do? Like what are the things you should avoid, and what are the things that you would want them to do now if they want to also clear CPA in a period of let's say a year or a year more than that?
Yeah, see, when I stepped into when I enrolled for CPA, and when I started discussing with my friends who are already working with the Big Fours and catering the global market, they said they'll always mention few of the content providers which they are following, okay? And I had no idea honestly, and Pixalan already came up with UWorld as a package. So that ways I never had the time to investigate that window, that whether to take this or whether to take that. So first, as a student, what mistake I did was I also logged into Becker, I also logged into UWorld, I also logged into ABC, whatever available in the market. So my suggestion to the CPA students would be just be with one mentor, one content provider, and give your 100% to that. Even if when you are revising, you should revise whatever you have read and not from a new content provider or a new subject. So that helps in building the concept also. Again, I mean, strengthening your concept, and gives you motivation also that yes, now you are picking up the subject. Another thing is that you have to control your physical as well as emotional being also, which I've been very bad at, I understand. But that plays a very major role, especially when you're appearing for the paper. For that 4 hours, you have to be in the best form, the best form you can be at. So that's also very important. And after 30 35 of age, I think that becomes really difficult because a lot of things go, a lot of things go on your mind that I have to do this, I have to do that. So
So
to get that,
compartmentalization, right? So
Yeah.
typically talking about how to compartmentalize. When you're doing this, you do only that, and then
Yeah.
cancel
Focus.
off all the other things.
Yes,
Yeah,
focus.
okay.
So that's what I feel.
Okay. See, as at least as a person who has seen you take this journey, I can say two things about you really well. One is you're always unsure of what the outcome would be. You don't
Yes.
have enough trust or confidence in your own self.
Even after getting my marks, I was not sure how come I can get this much. In fact, audit, and I think I almost broke down after every paper and gave you a call saying that ma'am, I don't think मेरा होने वाला है.
बस हर दिन में हो गया था except one.
हाँ, yeah, and that was
Which was-
also a few
Yeah,
other.
so see, my point is what I always want to tell you and to everybody else also is that don't judge yourself.
Yeah.
At least give us a neutral feel. You cannot start with a negative when you're studying, right? At least give a neutral feel and keep it don't judge yourself so much.
Yes.
I don't know if there's one advice that I'll give you in future also. Please don't judge yourselves. Let the events and the time unfold to let you reveal what you
Yes.
truly are.
Yes.
Okay, but you have to promise me that you're going to do it.
I'll try.
But try में नहीं होएगा. Okay. Okay, which according to you was your most difficult paper for you, and which one of it was cakewalk for you, if at all?
Bar was the most difficult one
Okay.
because it had a lot of remembering stuffs, it had a lot of analysis, it had a lot of graphs. So bar was the toughest one, and reg was the
Easy.
taxation part was the cakewalk for me because it was like a natural thing coming and part of my daily routine. So I thought that reg was good for me.
Okay. See, you already wrote your Indian CA papers, right? How was writing US CA different from your Indian CA experience?
See, already an Indian chartered accountant, I cannot say. I mean, I don't want to compare it because they are both different words. Because Indian chartered accountant involves deep learning, deep presentation. It's very subjective, and you have to be very, very thorough. And just being smart will not. Yeah. But this thing requires a lot of other things from just being intelligent and studying the syllabus. This thing requires how you are interpreting the questions. You have to be very familiar with the format, the MCQ pattern, and the TBS, which is a real life example coming on your way on the exam day. The content provider and the CPA classes which you are taking is actually very important because you don't want to face any surprises on the CPA exam day. So the pattern is very different. The study mechanism is also very different, and I believe that they both can't be compared because one is very subjective and one is it needs a lot of application.
So don't get me wrong, I'm myself an Indian CA and I have tremendous respect for the community. Whatever
Yeah.
I am today, I think the base is of an Indian CA.
Yeah,
Right?
absolutely.
What I wanted to ask you was, you've had an experience, right? We were all absolute freshers when we wrote a CA. At least it was for me, right? I was a article clerk and we were working and then we were studying. But then my experience of US CPA, both as a student first and then as a mentor, was a lot of what we train you is not just studies, and what you come and bring is not just your education during this period, but a lot of what you are for all
Yes,
those years.
absolutely.
So, in my opinion, US CPA must have been something which must have utilized all of your CA experience,
Yes.
and all of your work experience would have centered around.
Yes.
Like
yes,
we can teach you to, or probably we can mentor you or train you to answer a particular aspect, and to help you understand that within those 4 hours, how would you be managing the best. But what you are is a sum total of all the years that went
Yes,
behind
yes.
you, and all of that speaks. Like if you look at audit, I refuse to believe that it's only the material that helped you, right?
Yeah,
A
yeah.
lot of your work experience also went
Yes,
into
because
answering that paper,
because
right?
the TBS that comes in the exam, the simulations, you just
Yeah.
can't solve it on the basis of what concepts you have learned.
Yeah.
So, because of my Indian background, Indian chartered accountancy background, and that rigorous training that I had last 10 years, it helped me definitely.
So that's exactly, when somebody tells me that I've completed this degree in six months' time. So you see 6 months, but you don't realize how much that person would already be
Yeah.
prepared to write your
Yes.
papers.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So yeah, that was the idea of the question. Okay, a little bit about Pixela. What was like that really clicked for you after being a student, and were you to recommend this to anybody else, what would be the top of the mind items that you would want to share?
See, what made a difference for me with Pixarlearn was that first of all, I never tried my hands on any other thing apart from Pixarlearn and UWorld and whatever you suggested. Okay.
Yeah.
And secondly, there were already a lot of good feedbacks, and I always had this. Whenever I was out of track, there was a call from your side coming and saying that you have to be on track again. So that mentorship, there are many other players in the market who are teachers who are teaching CPA courses, but I don't think that one-to-one guidance is there. And the classroom session, the 7 to 9 session, I sometimes really felt like a student, going back to my student days, that I have a teacher who is teaching me and who is the live classroom session made all the difference. You have to stay focused. You can't miss a line, because I know you will be asking the question next to me.
Yeah.
So that ways I was always on my toes when I was studying with you. So, and there was a feedback session also, that Rashi, did you do this? Did you do that? How many MCQs have you solved? So I generally don't like. So that's why I made it a point. I can give you a good reply. I think the edge that Pixarlearn gives is the one-to-one mentorship. And whenever a student is off track, and especially when you have a professional life and family life to look after, that one-to-one guidance made all the difference.
Thank you so much. Very glad you did. Okay, a couple of words in UWorld. What was your experience with UWorld, and what is in it that you really could relate to it, and would you recommend it to anybody else? Because we have a very clear-cut, default provision, legacy providers in India. You used a couple of names. So what was your experience with UWorld as a content?
It was amazing, because there were situations when my subscription got expired, and just with an email, within a week or so, the subscription gets renewed without any hassle and anything. And secondly, the content that they have developed, it's so systematic that it goes with the flow. And the TBS also, if you've practiced from UWorld, it doesn't give you a lot of surprises on the exam day.
Okay.
The structure, the pattern, the practicing pattern, the MCQ, the mock test, everything is designed to prepare you for that 4 hours. So that way I was pretty satisfied with UWorld.
I just want to add something here, like not just Pixarlearn, like both we as well as the UWorld team, we've made it a point that if you're serious, we will not leave you behind.
Yes.
And it has not even a single case has it been that UWorld has come up and said that no, we would want the student to pay extra.
Yeah.
The philosophy that both of us have is, if you're serious, we'll support you till the end. So not only you, there's so many other students who maybe have had struggles in completing 1 or 2 portions.
Yes.
With no questions asked, they extend the thing.
Yeah, and no additional cost too.
Yes, no additional cost. Not only for you, but for every member who has joined us and been a part of the complete UWorld team. That it's the only thing that we look forward is, are you serious or not? If you are serious, then we'll make sure that you don't have to again pay money for any of the training resources that you have spent on till now. So I'm glad that helped. One thing that I love asking all my students, like not only you but all of the students, is, and I'll tell you how it had helped me also, but is there anything out of this entire journey, because it's not a small journey, right? We're talking about a period of 1.5, 18 months or maybe 2 years. Anything out of this experience that is going to stay with you forever?
Yeah, those classroom sessions. And ma'am, as a person also, I've learned a lot of things from you. To let go, to not overthink.
Which I'm not too sure you have understood completely, but I'm sure you're going to act on it.
Yeah, and not to undermine myself, and to feel good even if the day is not good. So I think I have imbibed a lot of things in my life, and when we started international, we had nobody to share our international journey from our side. I mean, there was always client, ma'am was also new, I was also new, team was also new, but you had seen the international world and you knew how it is working. So and how we should also behave when the clients are behaving like that. So as a whole, you will always be a part of our journey, and we'll never forget you. It's not easy to forget.
For you, though, it's possible for you to forget you, Ashley, because I will never forget that you my only student who forgot the admit card. I'll never forget it. Okay? I'm even this close to not writing the papers of that
Yes,
day,
absolutely,
right?
ma'am.
So Lady
Yes.
Luck is shining on you. I've told that to you earlier also. And it is so good to see you glowing. You know, I can see it on your face, the kind of happiness that you
Yeah,
feel.
after the degree, it gives you that confidence a bit. I mean, because I was always, I mean, already holding a degree, but that was 13 years back, and you know, uh, I feel कि हम लोग को as a professional we should do these courses to just re-establish ourselves that we are still.
And secondly, I think this is something that pushes you out of your comfort zone. Like,
Yeah.
see, it's your life gets into a new normal, right? You learn to work, come back home, have time to family. Especially if you have something like this, which is academically challenging, and at the same time, it needs you to be disciplined for a very long time.
Yes, yes.
So that entire journey shapes you as a personality which is a little different from what you were earlier. So you become a different version of a better version, hopefully, but a
Yeah.
different and a better version of you.
Yes, yes.
Which I can
absolutely.
see. I just hope you retain it.
Yes.
And so for all the people who are around you, if they see you losing track, they should recommend another course to you.
No, ma'am, not in another 2 years at least, because CPA is not that easy. You have really
After
have
I
to-
qualified my CPA, I decided now this is enough. For some time, for quite some time, I'm not taking it. No, I think after that I did DIPA-FRS. After that, it was like full stop. That for some
But
time,
you know,
at least-
every moment I decide that there's a new challenge coming up, because once the institute and once my peer got to know that I've cleared this and I can take a speaker session on
You
US
should do
International. That is a course designed by ICI, and I took a session, and it required 10 to 12 hours of proper.
And you can appreciate the kind of effort you
Yeah,
put
so
in.
I was remembering you only for one session. Just imagine what
Yes.
homework you have to do. So that means it is giving me more opportunities, more work. So yeah, I'm really
Awesome.
grateful.
That's so good. And just the closing words. Any last words for listeners before you end this?
Yeah, all the Indian chartered accountants or freshers also can go with this course. See, it will test your mind, your emotional strength, your technical capability, of course, but definitely it will shape you into a better person and a different person than what you are today. So it is recommended.
Thank you so much for joining us. It was a pleasure to have you.
Thank you, ma'am.